The man who was involved in last week's major standoff with members of the security forces along Old Harbour Road, St. Catherine, has been charged. Johnny Shakespeare was arrested after the shooting ended on March 24 and charged yesterday by detectives attached to the Spanish Town CIB. A policeman was shot and seriously injured during the incident, which residents say lasted for about 2 hours. Johnny Shakespeare has been charged with illegal possession of a firearm and ammunition, wounding with intent and shooting with intent. It was reported that the police were called to a plaza along Old Harbour Road on March 24, following reports that Mr. Shakespeare had pulled a gun on family members during a dispute over the ownership of the property. The police were reportedly greeted with gunfire, and during a major gun battle, a police corporal was shot in the chest. Mr. Shakespeare eventually surrendered to the cops who had surrounded the building. An illegal gun and more than 50 rounds of ammunition were allegedly taken from him. He's expected to appear in court in the coming week.